Meaning of General George Custer.
General George Custer.
General George Custer.
General George Custer.
General George Custer. General George Custer was a United States Army officer and cavalry commander in the American Civil War and the Indian Wars. He is most famous for his last stand at the Battle of Little Bighorn, also known as Custer's Last Stand, which took place on June 25, 1876. During this battle, Custer and his troops were overwhelmed and killed by a coalition of Native American tribes. The defeat shocked the nation and cemented Custer's place in history as a controversial and tragic figure.